What if every practice session felt like it was made just for you or your student? Imagine an assistant that understands your instrument, your level, and exactly what you're trying to improve, then creates a custom exercise on the spot. Sounds futuristic, right? Not anymore. Hello, music teachers, private instructors, and lifelong musicians. Welcome to your micro-learning session. Today, we're diving into a powerful way to enhance music education using AI. Our focus? Generating AI-created musical exercises tailored to specific instruments and skill levels. Whether you're teaching a class, guiding a private student, or learning on your own, this is your chance to explore how AI can provide custom practice materials that evolve as your playing improves. Ready to refine your skills or help others refine theirs? Let's take it step by step. Step 1. Inputting musical skill levels and needs into AI tools. Platforms like MusiGrid, SmartMusic, and even ChatGPT can generate exercises from scratch. The key is giving the AI clear, structured information. Start by entering the instrument and level. You might say, beginner violin, focus on bow wing technique. Intermediate jazz guitar, practicing chord transitions. Advanced trumpet, improving articulation and high register control. You can also specify goals like build finger independence for right-hand piano. Introduce basic syncopation for beginner drummers. Clarinet tone development for players with 6 months experience. The AI then generates a relevant exercise. For violin, it might suggest open string bowing drills with dynamic control. For jazz guitar, maybe a chord progression switching from G7 to C major 7 using alternate fingerings. For piano, you might get a C major 5-finger pattern with varying rhythms. The more detail you give, the more precise and helpful the output. You're essentially programming your own practice assistant. And don't rush the setup. Take your time. A well-thought-out prompt leads to exercises that truly fit your or your student's stage and style. Step 2. Modifying the AI-generated exercises to make them your own. Let's say the AI provides a flute trill drill aimed at intermediate players. It's technically useful, but a bit fast for your student. Slow the tempo, or simplify it by substituting long tones to build embouchure and breath control first, then introduce trills later. Or maybe the AI gives you a piano arpeggio warm-up in root position. It's too simple for your student, so you extend it across multiple octaves, or incorporate the left hand in contrary motion. You could even play with rhythm, syncopate the notes, or use swing feel to make it more stylistically relevant. For a saxophonist, AI might suggest scale patterns, but you can adjust the articulation to practice staccato or legato phrases, or transpose the exercise to different keys. AI gives you a framework. You adjust the variables, tempo, key, rhythm, or range, so the exercise fits the person playing it. Step 3. Using AI to generate personalized, goal-oriented instruction. This is where things really open up. For example, advanced clarinet jazz improvisation. AI might generate a 12-bar blues solo exercise using syncopation and swing rhythms, complete with articulation markings. Prompt: beginner ukulele fingerpicking introduction. The result? A simple fingerpicking pattern over C, F, G chords with slow tempo guidance and suggested fingering. Prompt: oboe classical vibrato control. AI could suggest long tone drills at pianissimo with instructions to vary vibrato speed and amplitude. You can also get highly creative. Baroque-style warm-up for cello, second-year student. Percussion rhythm layering for middle school band. Contemporary vocal agility for altos, inspired by neo-soul. If you're teaching multiple students, you can generate slightly different exercises for each one, even if they're at similar levels, ensuring personalization without extra prep time. And here's a tip. After generating an exercise, ask AI for practice suggestions, like how to break the piece into manageable sections, or what to focus on during warm-up. It can also offer ear training or theory tie-ins to round out the lesson. Let's put it into action. Your next move. Choose an AI tool, ChatGPT, MusiGrid, or even NoteFlight with smart assistant features. Input a clear prompt. Try something like beginner trumpet, breath control, and tone stability drills, no sheet music required. Review the output. Adjust one part, maybe reduce the range, increase rest periods, or add articulation marks. Then, create your own version based on that base structure. Try it out on your instrument or with your student and reflect on how it felt. Was it too easy? Too hard? Did it accomplish the goal? That reflection is part of what makes AI-enhanced learning truly dynamic. And that wraps up your musical boost for today. AI is here not to replace your musical intuition, but to amplify your planning, inspire creativity, and offer scaffolding for real human instruction. Whether you're refining your own playing or shaping the next generation of musicians, you now have a tool to customize every practice session with purpose. So slow down, personalize, and let the music flow, step by step, note by note. Keep practicing and stay inspired.